Okay, civil service exam review tayo guys. Find the value of k in the equation 3k plus 2 times k minus 6 equals 36. So first, let us write the given equation. We have 3k plus 2 times k minus 6 equals 33. So first, let us distribute itong 2 sa expression na nasa loob ng parenthesis. So that would be plus 2k 2 times negative 6, that is negative 12 equals 33. So let us add 5k minus 12 equals 33. So isolate the variable k. 5k equals 33. So lipat natin yung negative 12 sa right side ng equation. So that becomes positive 12. So 5k equals what? 45. So dividing both sides by 5. So the answer is what? K is equal to 9. The answer is letter D.